We are glad to welcome you to our channel. Kindly subscribe to our channel and share our videos with your friends and relations. And click on the bell icon for instant notification whenever new videos are uploaded on this channel. Rest assured that we are going to have a very exciting and inspiring discussion. Let's dive into the lesson right away. Hello and welcome to English Classes Online. If you are new here, my name is Benjamin, and today I'll be showing you top tips for building correct sentences in English. That is the purpose of today's video. Whether you are a beginner, a university fresher, or just someone trying to improve your English, these tips will help you write and speak with clarity and confidence. That's the purpose of today's video. Tip number 1, always start with a subject and a verb. Every correct sentence must have a subject and a verb. For example, the boy runs. Here, the boy is the subject and runs is the verb. Now, it is wrong to say running fast because this is not a full sentence, as we don't know who is running. The who there is the subject and the action is the verb. So remember, subject plus verb equals basic sentence. This brings us to tip number 2, use complete thoughts. Of course, a correct sentence must express a complete idea. For example, she is reading a book. This makes sense on its own. But it is wrong to say or write because she is reading. This is incomplete. It leaves us waiting for more information. To fix it, you need to complete the thoughts by saying, for example, she is reading because she wants to pass her exam. Always ensure it is a complete thought. Tip number 3, watch word order. Word order. Because English follows a common pattern. For example, subject plus verb plus object. A good sentence in English has this structure, this word order. For example, the teacher explains the lesson. The subject is the teacher, the verb is explains, the object is the lesson. So it is wrong to say explains the lesson the teacher. This confuses the order and it sounds unnatural. So ensure that your sentence follows the word order. Tip number 4, keep agreement in mind. This is very important. The subject and the verb must agree in number. For example, the dog barks. Singular subject and singular verb. The dog is a singular subject, barks is a singular verb. Another example, the dogs bark. Here you have a plural subject, the dogs, and the plural verb, bark. Now, it is wrong to say or write, the dogs barks. Now, why is it wrong? The dogs, plural subject, barks is a singular verb. So where you have a mixture of a plural subject and a singular verb, it makes the sentence incorrect. Tip number 5, use correct tense. Tense tells us when the action happens. For example, I eat rice every day. This is a present tense. Another example, I ate rice yesterday. This is a past tense. Another example, I will eat rice tomorrow. This is a future tense. So always make sure that the verb tense matches the time you are talking about. If you are talking about today, right now, use the present tenses. Tip number 6, avoid double negatives. In English, two negatives make the sentence incorrect. For example, I don't know nothing. This is wrong because of I don't. Don't is negative, nothing is negative. The correct thing is I don't know anything. Another example, she can't hardly wait. This is wrong because can't is negative, hardly is negative. Now the correct thing is to say she can hardly wait. She can hardly wait. So avoid double negatives. Tip number 7, punctuation matters. Because punctuation helps to make your sentence clear. You know, for example, let's eat, comma, grandma. This means we are calling grandma to eat. But if we remove the punctuation mark, comma, it becomes let's eat grandma without a comma. This sounds like we are eating grandma, which is not what we mean. You can't eat your grandma. Now here is a quick recap. To build correct sentences in English, always use the subject and the verb, express complete thoughts, follow the right word order, keep subject-verb agreement, use correct tenses, avoid double negatives, and use punctuation marks carefully and correctly. And that's it for today's lesson on top tips for building correct sentences. Practice these rules daily and you will see great improvement in your English. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English Classes Online for more lessons. Of course, here on English Classes Online, we upload videos on various aspects of English learning, English grammar, essay writing, summary writing, reading comprehension, all aspects of English language, including oral English. We upload videos in all these areas. So if you browse through this channel, you can use our playlists. If you want to watch videos on English grammar, simply click on the playlist for English grammar lessons. We also help people prepare for important English exams such as IELTS, Duolingo English Test, DET, WASI, West African Senior School Certificate Examination, and other English exams. So if you are preparing for any of these English exams, then this channel will be your knowledge garden where you will always find whatever you are looking for. Everything English is here on English Classes Online. We even go beyond that and we upload videos for those who are, who are interested in literature in English. So this particular channel is a place where you will find English learning made easy. So I want to say a big thank you to all of you out there for watching today's episode, and I will see you in the next video.